first I feel like I just need to take everything out of the space and kind of like visualize where I want hair products versus body products to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna take everything out, and while I take everything out, I'm gonna sort between get rid of pal, slash donate pal, and keep, and what I want in this bathroom versus like what I don't use that much that can like be stored in a different area in my house or in my room somewhere or wherever I can find space. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this is underneath my sink and it's just a hot mess. I'm literally screaming. I hate this so much. So we're gonna fix that for sure and just get rid of some stuff. These are all my products laid out. So I did have to have some plumbing work done like a couple of months ago, and I didn't even realize how much dirt it left in here because they were just down in here doing stuff, and I tried to move as much as I could. So I definitely need to like wipe some things down. I also have this shelf back here. So that's like one of my, I guess, tips and tricks for having a small bathroom is to make levels for yourself, and instead of installing a shelf in your bathroom that can be kind of complicated, then just get like kitchen shelves or like a locker shelf. I have a bunch of them because I had a bigger like bathroom in my old place that I just level it out and like put stuff underneath and baskets and stuff on top. It's kind of hard in a small bathroom because of the plumbing stuff right there, but it does really help to elevate some things when you can. So yeah, now I'm just gonna divide this stuff up between needs to go in the trash and needs to go somewhere else, because like I have all these combs and stuff. I don't have any hair. Like I don't use combs right now, and like I do want to start wearing wigs again. I kind of miss having a little bit of hair. I just want to change it up just when I'm feeling like, you know, doing something a little different that day. And I just haven't worn a wig in like, I don't know, like 2 years, 3 years. I haven't worn a wig in a long time, like actually installed one. So I do want to use, like, I don't want to throw those away because it's not like I'm never going to have any hair on my head again. It might not be my own, but you know what I'm saying. So I don't want to throw all that away because it's wasted and I'm just like buying stuff when I had it. But I don't feel like I need it under my sink. Like, why do I need that much stuff under my sink that I literally don't use every day? So we're going to try to find a new home for this stuff. But yeah, so... So the bottom of the sink is done, really, and I'm happy with it. Honestly, the name of the game really was getting rid of stuff. So there's like so much less clutter because I just had to throw some things away that were old and put stuff in a donation pile and everything. So over here is all my backup hair products. So I have hair products in the cabinet over my toilet, and that's usually what I'm currently using, but I have like double of all of my favorite hair products. So these are backups that have never been opened, and then we have some deep conditioners and just oils to grab for when I'm doing deep conditioning. And then in the back I have empty containers that I use just for various things like spray bottles and stuff. And then up top I have feminine products. And also another tip is like I really love bagging things. Like I bagged those feminine products just because they can kind of get loose and just roaming all over the place, and it just makes it look messy, and I know everything is right there. Then I have some Q-tips back there on that shelf too, and a mirror underneath there, a hand mirror. In this container I put in the middle, it's just like miscellaneous backup things. So razors to put in the shower when I am done with one. My contacts I bagged up, it just keeps it organized. That's like a tongue scraper, an extra one that I have, and that's just a bar of soap. This is just a bar of soap that I use for when I am cleaning my sponges. And then we have like body products on this side, you know, hair on there. So we go to body products and just alcohol for, you know, disinfecting, doing stuff. Baby soap for washing my makeup brushes, baby powder. This is just extra dental stuff. And in the very back we have Epsom salt stuff for when I soak in a bath. So yeah, and this is just coconut oil in a bottle because I like to double up oil and lotion. So yeah, and I'll probably add some more to this area when I finish cleaning above my toilet in that cabinet, which you can't really see because it's so bright, and then yeah, up there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy because it's just, oh my gosh, it's so much less stress. Look at that. Like, whoo, this is just so much cleaner. I wish I had like more baskets and stuff like that, but it just, oh my gosh, it was so stressful before. So the bottom of the sink is done. So next to organize, we have over this over the toilet organizing shelf thing. These up here are already pretty organized, but except for the stuff that's sticking out. But anyway, this stuff needs to be organized, and this I really like. This is my everyday stuff, like stuff I use all the time, but it did look cuter than this, and I just simply, I can't. Like, this looks a hot mess. And then this is just, I feel like it's such wasted space. Like, I feel like it could look so much better and be so much more purposeful and have so many more products in it. So I'm kind of thinking this, I want to make it look cuter. This has to freaking go. It's not cute. We're going to try to make that more decorative. This is going to be the stuff I use every day, every morning, and then like kind of backstock some stuff. And this is my nail drawer shelf, but like I love my press-on nails. I love my gel nails, but that's like all just regular nail polish, and honestly I don't wear regular nail polish anymore because I just feel like it chips, or I'll like put gel over top of it or something like that. But with my new job, it's just destroyed my hands and everything, and a lot of that nail polish is so old, like it's literally from middle school. So I don't really know. I'm also bad with getting rid of stuff, so I don't know. But this has got to be organized. Like, it's driving me crazy. Like, I hate it. So yeah, here we go. So I'm on the floor in my bathroom once again. The last thing I have to do to organize all these bathroom products is go through all of my nail stuff. Like, all this is full of nail polish. It's time to let go. It really is. This stuff is like from middle school. I feel like it looks weird that I'm sitting beside a toilet, but the bathroom is small. All the stuff's already all over the floor, so here we are. Yeah, it's time to let go. It's time. It's just a lot of nail polish from like middle school that I definitely do not want. So here we go. Okay, so we have extra nails, nails. These are stuff I know I want to keep is right here. Stuff I know I want to get rid of is right there. So yeah. Now this top drawer is done. For some people, it may not look that organized, but to me, I feel like it's pretty darn organized. And it just, like, when I open it, I don't get a headache. Like, this is just so much more refreshing to look at. So how I have it divided is all my everyday hair care products. So like right when I wash my hair products, my everyday styling products, and oils and shine sprays. Then I have my everyday makeup removers, so how I get my makeup off. Then I have, you know, my waxing serum, contacts, and then on this side I have all my skincare. So on the back is like backups for all of the skincare that I use. On the sides, backup for all my like moisturizing sunscreens, and then we have like what I use daily. So my dark spot solution, some exfoliator, and then my moisturizers. So we have all that right there, and then at the top we have nail polish. This is a lot of nail polish. I understand. I will probably go back through and get rid of half more of that, but right now this is where my head's at. This is like all my gel polish, so stuff that needs to be cured. Up here is like my tools and some like acrylic stuff, and then right there is all my nail polish removers, which I need to like use those up because I have like 4 bottles of nail polish removers. And then I have my nails, press-on nails. So yeah, I feel like that's looking a lot better, and it's just categorized and organized, and yeah, I can just grab and go. So pretty happy. Now I'm gonna move down here and kind of fill that up and make it look prettier. So this is the final bathroom. I'm so happy with it. Like, look how clean cut that is. It kind of kills me that this is so bright, my toothpaste and stuff, and that I have hot pink Q-tips, but it just looks so much more clean and put together. And then over here is my favorite part, over the toilets. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so good. I found me a little plant. It was around the house and I was like, I need some greenery. I need something, you know, fresh and alive in the bathroom. So I put that plant right there. And then I actually put like pieces of paper in these clear containers, which again, people are probably like, why don't you just buy them, you know, already like opaque? But I was really working with what I had around the house. And so I just put little papers in there because I'm super OCD and I really hate like when the bright colors and stuff is peeking through. Like it just simply does not look good. So I still have products in these except for on the top one, but I just didn't want those bright colors because it's just so off-putting. But I put those papers in there to get a clean look. And then I always run out of toilet paper on this side of the house. Because I just didn't have any place to store it under the sink or up there. So now I have it nice and neatly put right above the toilet, and I just feel like it looks so clean and together, because before, remember what that looks like. Now look at this, so cute, clean and crisp. And then the cabinets, of course, I really need to do some more, like getting rid of a couple more things in the nail drawer, but it's still a little more together. And then we have this. And then up here is where I have these little containers stacked up there, and those are all like trowel size stuff. So samples I've received and just like trowel size toothpaste and stuff like that for when I travel. And yeah, I feel like it looks amazing. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.